Let's talk about something that doesn't exactly scream adventure or wanderlust, but might just save your trip, your wallet, and maybe even your life. Travel insurance. It's not glamorous. It's not fun. And if we're being honest, most people don't even know what it really covers. But here's the truth. Travel insurance is one of those things you don't need, until you really, really do. So let's break it down. What is travel insurance, really? It's a safety net. A backup plan. It's that thing you hope to never use, but will be eternally grateful for if things go sideways. Lost luggage, canceled flights, sudden illnesses, accidents, stolen passports, travel insurance is there to help when things go wrong far from home. Now, there's a common myth that travel insurance is only for extreme adventurers or elderly travelers on cruise ships. That's just not true. Whether you're backpacking through Asia, taking a romantic getaway to Europe, or just heading to another state for a weekend, travel insurance can be your invisible travel buddy. You never know when a flight delay will leave you stranded overnight, or when a minor fall could result in a hospital visit that costs thousands. Let's talk about what's typically covered. Most standard travel insurance policies offer a mix of trip cancellation or interruption coverage, medical coverage, emergency evacuation, lost or delayed baggage, and sometimes even things like rental car protection or coverage for missed connections. Think of it as a bundle of protections for the unexpected stuff that could wreck your plans and empty your bank account. Here's a common scenario. You've been planning your dream trip for months. You've paid for flights, hotels, tours, and then, 2 days before departure, you come down with something awful. Without insurance, you're out of luck and out of thousands. But with a policy that includes trip cancellation coverage, you could get most, if not all, of your non-refundable expenses back. Medical coverage is a big one, especially if you're going abroad. Your regular health insurance might not cover you outside your home country, or it might only offer limited assistance. If you break an ankle in the Alps or get food poisoning in Bangkok, a good travel insurance plan can cover the hospital visit, prescriptions, and even medical evacuation if things are serious. And trust me, evacuation costs can hit 6 figures fast. But not all policies are created equal. The fine print matters. Some plans exclude high-risk activities like scuba diving, skydiving, or even hiking above a certain altitude. Others may not cover pandemics, pre-existing conditions, or injuries from alcohol-related incidents. That's why it's crucial to read the policy details before you buy. Don't just click "Add insurance" at checkout without understanding what you're getting. And here's a huge tip. Always compare providers. Use trusted comparison websites or go directly to providers like World Nomads, Safety Wing, Allianz, or Travel Guard. Look for what's included, what's excluded, and how claims are handled. Pay attention to customer reviews and see how real travelers describe their experiences, especially when it comes to making claims and getting reimbursements. Timing also matters. You'll get the most value if you purchase your policy soon after you book your trip. Some plans offer extra perks, like coverage for pre-existing conditions or cancel for any reason add-ons, if you buy within a certain window after booking your first travel arrangement. Waiting until the last minute can limit your options. Here's another truth. Travel insurance isn't always necessary. If you're going on a short domestic trip and you already have health insurance and flexible cancellation policies on your bookings, you might not need extra coverage. But if you're spending a lot of money on non-refundable reservations, traveling internationally, or heading somewhere remote, insurance can be a wise investment. It's also worth checking if your credit card offers any kind of built-in travel protection. Some premium cards cover trip delays, lost luggage, and even emergency medical care if you use the card to book your travel. Just make sure you understand what's included and how to file a claim. It's not always automatic, and documentation is key. Speaking of documentation, here's a pro hack. Always keep a copy of your insurance policy, your claim instructions, and emergency contact numbers with you, both printed and saved on your phone. If something goes wrong, you'll want to access that info quickly. And if you need to file a claim, take photos of everything: receipts, medical bills, delays, even baggage damage. The more evidence you have, the smoother the process will be. Some people say travel insurance is a waste of money because they've never used it. And honestly, That's great. It means things went according to plan. But here's the thing, insurance isn't about what usually happens. It's about protecting yourself from what could happen. And when you're traveling far from home, especially in unfamiliar places, that peace of mind is priceless. So if you've ever wondered whether travel insurance is worth it, the real answer is, it depends. But when it is worth it, it can be really worth it. And knowing you've got that backup plan? That lets you travel with a little more confidence, a little less worry, and a whole lot more freedom. If this video helped clear up the mystery of travel insurance, or made you rethink skipping it, go ahead and hit that like button. Got questions about what to cover or stories where insurance saved your trip? Drop them in the comments below, I'd love to hear them. And if you're into practical travel tips, destination guides, and saving money while seeing the world, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a travel truth. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep